Upon starting SketchUp for the first time, the program will allow you to choose a default template. The template you choose depends on your purposes for using SketchUp, and this template is going to affect your background color, the edge style, and type of measurement system, such as meters or inches. To choose a default template, you can click on the heart underneath the thumbnail of each template. That will cause the template to be active each time you open a new file. You can explore each template, but for now we're going to go ahead and use the simple template in inches. If you had previously chosen a different template, you can go to the Help drop-down menu and choose Welcome to SketchUp, and it will bring you back to this window. But again, we are going to use the simple template in inches.